Okay, so welcome back once again to all my dear students. Yesterday we have discussed about that photoelectric effect, and we have also discussed some example related to how to find out the wavelength, how to find out the frequency, how to find out the energy of photon, right? So today we are going to discuss about some more examples related to find out the work function, then kinetic energy, how to find out it. So let us start. Our first example, first one is given: 100 watt bulb emit monochromatic light. A 100 watt bulb emit monochromatic light, right? 100 वोल्ट का बल्ब है और वो मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट एमिट करता है, राइट? हैविंग अ वेवलेंथ ऑफ वेवलेंथ 400 नैनोमीटर ऑफ वेवलेंथ, यहां पे वेवलेंथ दी हुई है 400 नैनोमीटर, राइट? कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ फोटॉन. हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? कैलकुलेट द number of photon emitted per second by the bulb, emitted per second by the bulb. हमको कितना फोटोन पर सेकेंड में एमिट होता है वो मुझे कैलकुलेट करना है. पहले तो मुझे मालूम होना चाहिए व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ बल्ब. तो 100 वॉट है, तो मैं यहां पे लिखता हूं पावर ऑफ बल्ब, पहले तो दैट इज 100 watt, right? When 100 watt is there, then 1 watt, that is a joule per second. So I can also write down 100 joule into second inverse, क्योंकि 1 watt that is equals to 1 joule into second inverse, right? यहाँ पे वेवलेंथ दी हुई है. What is the wavelength? तो वेवलेंथ क्या है? It is the lambda, and that is equals to how much? 400 nanometer. So I can write down 400 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Understand? So ये wavelength है. Now energy of one photon, energy of one photon, एक photon की energy of one photon, that is equals to h mu, and that is equals to hc by lambda. ये तो हमको मालूम है. Why? Because this is the frequency, and frequency, that is v mu equals to c by lambda. As that is a Planck constant. Put the value 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. Multiply by what is speed of light? That is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And here the wavelength, it will be given what? 400 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Meter second will be cancelled out. Now calculate it. 6.626 multiply by 3 divide by 400. So now 0.0496 into 10 raised to 18 9 and 17 34 minus what? 70 minus 70. So I can write down here 4.96 into 10 raised to minus 19 what? Joule. Is it clear? Right now, तो एक फोटोन की एनर्जी इतनी है, इतना जूल है, तो इतने जूल में कितने फोटोन आएंगे पर सेकेंड में? तो मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं कि यहाँ पे अगर 4.96 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule, that is equals to 1 photon, right? तो 100 joule second, that is equals to how much? So I can say that 100 divided by 4.96 into 10 raised to minus 19. So now find out that 100 divided by 4.96. So what is the answer? 20.16 into 10 raised to 19, right? Photon. And the answer, total number of photon, that is here the unit. If you want to write down the standard form, then 2.016 into 10 raised to, point will be moved from the left, so 20 what second inverse. This much photon will be emitted per second. एक सेकंड में इतने फोटोन एमिट होंगे. चलो write down all these things. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Next example, the threshold frequency, second, the threshold frequency mu 0, right, for a metal is, for a metal is 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse, right? Calculate kinetic energy of electron emitted. Calculate kinetic energy of electron emitted. Kinetic energy of electron emitted when radiation of frequency, when radiation of frequency is mu, that is equals to 1 into 10 raised to 15 second inverse. So now heat the metal. यहां पे लिखो. अब मुझे पहले तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो आई नो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन फॉर द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. यू ऑल द काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल्स टू 1/2 mv². Okay, velocity. Now here what is the frequency? Two different frequency will be given, mu 0 and mu. So write down here mu 0, that is equals to how much? 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse, and mu, that is equals to 1.0 10 raised to 15 second inverse, right? अभी देखो यहाँ पे अगर मुझे काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करनी है तो आई कैन आल्सो राइट डाउन h into mu minus mu 0. अभी देखो यहाँ पे 15 है, यहाँ पे 14 है, तो ये 14 करना हो तो 10 into 10 raised to 14 second inverse. Understand? Mu. So put here 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second into bracket what 10 into 10 raised to 14 minus 7 into 10 raised to 14. Understand? Right? So put 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second multiply by 3 into 10 raised to 14. Why? Because 10 minus 7 is 3 and 10 raised to 14 will be common out. Okay. So now what is the answer? Let us see. 6.626 multiplied by 3. So 19.87 into 10 raised to क्या आएगा minus 20. Okay. So in the standard form 1.987 into 10 raised to left. So it will be plus, so minus 19. And what is the unit? It will be in the form of joule. So this is the kinetic energy. Understand? So this is how you can find out the kinetic energy. Write down. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Let us suppose what is the number of photon of light? What is the number a wavelength of 4000 picometer with a wavelength of 4000 picometer, right? That provide 1 joule of energy. That provide 1 joule of energy. अभी देखिए, पहले तो मुझे वेवलेंथ दी हुई है कि लैम्डा इक्वल्स टू 4000 पिकोमीटर, राइट? तो पहले पिकोमीटर में है तो मुझे मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो ये 1 पिकोमीटर you all know equals to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Is it clear? So I can write down here that 4000 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, right? That is the wavelength. And energy is given. What is energy? Energy E, that is equals to 1 joule. Energy भी दी हुई है 1 joule है, right? And I have to find out what number of photon. Let us suppose E equals to h c by lambda. मुझे मालूम है h c by lambda, and it will be joule, right? Per photon, एक photon की energy. तो if the number of photon is equals to n, अगर photon n है तो I can write down here that E equals to nhc by lambda. तो n को सब्जेक्ट बनाओ, तो E into lambda divided by h into c. पुट द वैल्यू, यहाँ पे 1 जूल, यहाँ पे लैम्बडा कितना है, तो 4000 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second into c means 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Meter will be cancelled out, second will be cancelled out, right? So now 6.626 multiplied by 3, 6.626 90.87. Answer will be 201.30 into 10 raised to 12 है ना, तो 30 into 26 minus 26 to 26 plus 12, 14, 10 raised to 14. Okay, and it will be, yes, number of photon. Is it clear? And if you want to find out in the standard form, then I can also write out 2.013 into 10 raised to 16 number of photon is there, right? Number of photon. Understand? So write down all these things. Chalo. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. यस, यहाँ पे दी हुआ है कि एग्जांपल नंबर 4, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन ऑफ वेवलेंथ, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन of wavelength is 242 nanometer is just sufficient. 242 nanometer is just sufficient for what? To ionize the sodium atom. To ionize the sodium atom, right? Okay, calculate the ionization enthalpy of sodium. Calculate the ionization enthalpy of sodium इन किलो जूल मोल इनवर्स। इसमें मुझे एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करनी है। पहले तो वेवलेंथ दिया हुआ है, तो लैम्डा इक्वल्स टू आएगा 242 नैनोमीटर। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस नैनोमीटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मीटर। तो पहले तो 242 into 10 raised to minus 19 मीटर। चलो हो गया। अभी देखो फोटोन की एनर्जी मुझे मालूम है कि एनर्जी ऑफ फोटोन that is E equals to hc by lambda, right? Now put the value per mole एनर्जी कितनी आएगी, तो पर मोल मुझे एनर्जी किलो जूल पर मोल में चाहिए मुझे, तो पर मोल मींस 1 मोल फोटोन एनर्जी that is Ne equals to nhc by lambda, and that is the Avogadro's number. Put the value over here. चलो 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, 6.626 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second, 3 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and divide by what is the wavelength? Wavelength it will be given 242 into 10 raised to minus 19 meter. Okay, calculate it. चलो 6.022 multiply by 6.626 multiply by 3, चलो 119 and divide by 242 क्या है 0.4946 into 10 raised to चलो 23 31 minus 3 under 16 meter second, so joule into mole inverse, not 16 6 q 10 raised to minus 9 है ना यहाँ पे, क्या सो यहाँ पे 10 raised to minus 9, तो ऊपर आएगा तो 6 आएगा, नहीं 6 नहीं आएगा, 10 raised to minus 9 और 3 तो 3 आएगा। अभी या इज इट 0.946 और 3 is 6, now 494.6 into 10 raised to 3 joule into mole inverse, so here I got 494.6 kilojoule and mole inverse. Understand? So this is how you can find out the kilojoule per mole. Note down. ओके चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं। ओके नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, a 25 watt bulb, a 25 watt bulb emit monochromatic yellow light, emitted monochromatic yellow light having a wavelength, that is of wavelength 0.57 micrometer, ये wavelength है, right? Okay, calculate the rate of emission of quantum watt per second, quantum per second में कितना एमिट होता है ये मुझे कैलकुलेट करना है। So first of all you all know that E equals to what? Energy of photon h mu, that is equals to hc by lambda. Now what is h you all know? That Planck constant 6.626 10 raised to 30 minus 34 into c, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And what is the wavelength? Wavelength it will be given, see here, that here wavelength lambda equals to 0.57 micrometer. So I can write down 0.57 10 is to minus 6 meter. Understand? Is it clear? So I can write down here 57 into 10 is to minus 6 meter. Meter second. Joule into second cancel. Now what is the answer? Let us see. 6.626 multiplied by 3 and divide by 0.57. So what is the answer? 34.87. 0.87 into 10 raised to 8 plus 6 apply 14. 14 means 20 minus 20, it is a joule. And standard 3.8487. 10 is to left means 1. So minus 19 joule. Is it clear? Here is the energy of photon. Now per photon energy per photon. ओके नाउ यहाँ पे क्वांटम वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी, मुझे क्वांटम वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो क्वांटम वेलोसिटी that is equals to what? That emit energy from bulb, emit energy from bulb divided by what? Emit energy of photon, emit energy of what? Photon. चलो इज इट क्लियर? तो चलो बल्ब की एनर्जी कितनी है? तो बल्ब की एनर्जी यहाँ पे दी हुई है 25 वाट. तो E that is equals to 25 watt, that is equals to 25 joule into second inverse, right? ये तो यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ कि इसकी एनर्जी है 25 जूल into second inverse डिवाइड बाय एमिट एनर्जी ऑफ फोटोन कितनी आएगी? 3.487 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Joule will be cancelled out. So the answer will be 25 divided by 3.487. The answer is 7.1169 into 10 raised to 19 second inverse. Understand? So this is the quantum velocity. Is it clear? So this is how you can find out the quantum velocity. Note down. Okay, now next one, last example, let us see. Last example, electrons are emitted with zero velocity. Electrons are emitted with zero velocity from a metal surface. With zero velocity from a metal surface, right? Which is exposed to radiation, which it is exposed to radiation for a wavelength of 6800 angstrom, right? Calculate threshold frequency and work function of metal, right? So calculate threshold frequency and work function of metal, and work function of what? Metal. Work function, that is W0. Is it clear? तो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? वेवलेंथ दी हुई है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन राइट लैम्डा इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 6800 angstrom. So that is equals to 68 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Understand? अभी वर्क फंक्शन क्या है? I can write down that work function that is W0 is equals to H into mu 0, right or not? But again mu equals to C by lambda, so again HC by lambda, so W equals to HC by lambda. Is it clear? Now what is H? 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second into 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by what is the wavelength? 6800 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Meter, second cancel out. Now what is the answer? Let's see. 6.626 multiplied by 3 and divided by 6800. So 0.00292 into 10 raised to 18, 34 minus 18, 16. So I write down here 2.92 into 10 raised to minus 90 watt joule is the work function. Is it clear? Now if I want to find a threshold frequency, that is a mu 0, that is equals to work function upon H. Yeah. What is the work function? 2.92 10 raised to minus 19 joule divided by 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. Joule will be cancelled out. So now 2.92 divided by 6.626. What is the answer? 0.4406 into 10 raised to 34 minus 90, 15, and it is in the form of second inverse. Okay, so in the standard form also you can write down. Okay, so this is how you can find out the work function as well as the threshold frequency. Okay, in the standard form, if you want to write down this, then 4.406 into 10 raised to, point will be moved on the right hand side, so minus, so 14 second inverse. Is it clear? This is a standard form. Okay, so this is how the examples are there. How to find out the work function, how to find out threshold frequency, how to find out kinetic energy, all these things we have discussed. Okay, so up to here it's enough. The next period some more examples are there, right, related to the energy of photon. Okay, so in this period it's enough. Thank you very much.